Last time we used chocolate bars to make our fractions bigger. Today we're going to use blocks to see how fractions can get smaller. But here's the real question. Can we shrink the numbers without shrinking the value? Let's start with this fraction, 8 over 12. Here we have 12 blocks in total, and 8 of them are red. So this model shows 8 out of 12 written as 8/12. Now watch what happens if we divide both numbers by the same number. Let's take a look at this fraction, 8 over 12. We have 12 blocks in total, and 8 of them are red. So this model shows 8 out of 12, which we can also say 8/12. But here's something interesting. Let's see how these blocks can be grouped differently. Each group has 4 blocks. That means we can divide both numbers by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 8/12 becomes 2/3. We divided the top number, the numerator, and the bottom number, the denominator, by the same amount. The numbers got smaller, but the fraction still represents the same amount. Now try this one. Look at the fraction 9 over 15. What number could we divide both numbers by? Share your answer in the comments and try the quiz too. Remember, when we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, the fraction gets smaller, but the value stays the same. That's the power of equivalent fractions. See you in the next SydAcademy lesson.